What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another video with the C63 AMG and your host, me. So I got a quick little update for you guys, and it is very exciting, and as always, the car sounds phenomenal, drives great. I am beyond happy, and we're gonna actually, you know what? Let's give you guys a little rip, because I haven't experienced it in a little while. You guys haven't experienced it in a little while. Let's give it some sound. I'll shut up. Let the car do the talking. Nice. That's what I'm talking about. Let's go. Anyways, so here's a quick little update for you all. We bought a camera. Well, we got a camera. But it's one of those with the head strap, and it's one of those, Chinese ones. Great quality. But I severely overestimated, whatever you want to call it, the angle of the camera. So let me just kind of show you guys. I'll throw the footage in here, well, into this video from this camera. But basically, I'm not gonna put it on now. But the point is, you kind of put it on your head like this, and then even if you, it's got a great mount. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. There's nothing there. It's super good. You can access all the buttons and everything. But the problem is, it's on your head, it's angled. You press it, and then it's there, and it's just kind of like, bleh. It's kind of dumb. It looks really stupid. But the problem is that it's up here. You guys are probably gonna see it in both videos. It's up here, and it's so uncomfortable and in your way, and the angle is incorrect. It's not right. It's not right. It needs to be over here. It needs to be at my eyes. But the problem is I can't put this in front of my eyes. I won't be able to see nothing. This is stupid. So, solution to that is, let's pause this one. Solution to that is to find some of those, what do you call them? Like the glasses cameras. Because I remember a long time ago when I was younger, they used to sell, I had these camera glasses back in 2012 when we went on a trip to Bahamas or whatever, and I was on a jet ski. This guy was taking me out on a jet ski ride, and I had those camera glasses, but I had no idea how to use them. They were horrible quality. They were 360p quality. And you're playing with the buttons, and you have no idea if it's recording or not recording, because there's barely any information, nothing. They're not Bluetooth, they're not Wi-Fi. The quality is horrible. The SD card barely fits. The technology was so bad back then. But fast forward 14 years, there are lots of camera glasses out there that have the camera right in the center. Quality is amazing. It's got an SD card, it's got great battery life, USB-C for fast charging. So I think that's exactly what we need to get. Gonna find myself some camera glasses. We will still use this camera. I got some great mounts and everything. We'll probably mount it, up on the dashboard over here or something for racing or driving, or we'll put it kind of up here for a car POV. I don't know. But right now, we're kind of stuck with the phone. Phone is great, but you can only see this. It's kind of stupid. So yeah, that's that. The second thing is, I don't know if you guys can see, one of the seats is down there. So what happened is, well, the carbon fiber diffuser, unfortunately, it came off. But that's not the carbon fiber one. That's an OEM one. So what happened is, I'm driving on the highway, I think it was very late. I didn't even know that it happened. All I remember is driving, looking forward, road's clear. All of a sudden I hear boom, like a big dunk, and that's it. And I was like, oh, okay, whatever. Probably went over a pothole, whatever. Didn't think much of it because nothing, no lights came on, nothing came on. And then I get home, park the car, go upstairs, go to sleep, come back downstairs, and the next day look at the diffuser and it's gone. And I was like, what? My diffuser's gone. This is not good. So yeah, a gigantic piece of ice. I think it was like this big. It literally, like, I hit it. I know that I hit the front for sure too, because I heard a little like tap on the front, but the rear is where it would make the most noise. I saw that the front splitter was a little bit like cracked. I'll show you guys in another video when we install that diffuser. But I heard a little crack and then just a big bang. I think it was like this big. It had to be huge to be able to just rip it right off. So it came off, and then I looked and I was like, that's it. The carbon fiber diffuser is gone. Oh well, it is what it is. It sucks, but yeah, it kind of sucks because I waited for so long for that diffuser. It was like 200 bucks or whatever, but and it looked decent, like it looked nice, but you know, it didn't look perfect because it was like not carbon fiber, it was carbon fiber look or whatever they call it. So it wasn't perfect, but when it came off, I was pretty upset. So now we got this one. We're probably gonna install it maybe today, maybe tomorrow. I don't know, whenever we have time. Give you guys that in another video too. So yeah, just a quick little update for you all. Got a camera. It works. It's good, but it's not what we need. So gotta get another different camera. You know, one that films right here, because I want the POV to be from my eyes, what I see, so that you guys can see what I see. And yeah, and this, anyways, it's good because we have multiple cameras now. We can film like kind of crazy cool stuff, especially if we decide to go on the racetrack or whatever. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Thank you all for watching. Peace.